starting with some breaking input coming in at this hour. The Delhi High Court has now reserved the order in the Lakshmi Puri versus Saket Gokhale hearing case. And remember, the Union Minister Hardeep Puri's wife, that is Lakshmi Puri, had filed a defamation lawsuit against Saket Gokhale over. However, he had refused to delete and has refused to delete the tweets so far. Let me go across to my colleague Ananya, who's also joining us over the phone line. Yes, Ananya, take us through the Delhi High Court and what it had exactly stated, and also the defamation lawsuit that was filed against Saket Gokhale.
Well, yes, clearly Lakshmi Puri, who was a former diplomat, served at the UN, has approached the Delhi High Court seeking a defamation suit to be registered against Saket Gokhale. In fact, she has also asked for a 5 lakh rupees plaint to be given to her, which is the cost of her plaint in a defamation award. However, when the court was hearing the matter, the court got anguished on Gokhale's conduct. It was clearly saying, what kind of a nonsense is this? And Gokhale is vilifying people without even approaching them or asking them about the clarity of these documents. The court also asked him whether he would delete those tweets. However, Gokhale's counsel clearly stated that Gokhale is not going to delete these tweets. Now the court has reserved its order. Senior advocate Maninder Singh, who is appearing for Miss Puri, clearly stated that it is a prima facie case of defamation and a lot harm has been caused to her reputation. A lot of harm has been caused to her reputation. He also went on to show the assets of Miss Puri, in fact showing that how willfully Mr. Gokhale has defamed her. Back to you.
In fact, Ananya, stay with us. Another short question to you. We do know that Saket Gokhale has refused to delete his tweets, but at the same time, there has been a big debate ongoing over the claims of to the damage of reputation that has been put forward by Hardeep Puri's wife, that is Lakshmi Puri, and their advocate as well. But at the same time, the High Court has told this activist that do due diligence before you're putting out any tweet, and there was a requirement that he could have approached them for a comment.
Well, yes, clearly.
All right, we'll try to go back to Ananya shortly, but the Delhi High Court has now reserved the order in the Lakshmi Puri versus Saket Gokhale hearing. Meanwhile, remember, the Union Minister Hardeep Puri's wife, Lakshmi Puri, has filed a defamation lawsuit against Saket Gokhale. However, he has refused to delete the tweets. In fact, stay with us, Ananya. If you can also take us through what has been the official version coming in from Saket Gokhale's side as well so far, because remember, he has refused to remove his tweet. Well, at the same time, the High Court has told the activists that do your due diligence before you're putting out any information through a tweet.
The High Court has come down heavily on Mr. Gokhale. In fact, it also questioned his lawyers that is there a law that you can put out such things without even question? In fact, when she's not a public officer now, because she's already retired as a diplomat and she's not a public, is it actually true to go out and put out such statements without even carrying out some exercise of clarity or investigating as to what is true and what is not? Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Ananya, for getting us that update. We'll be closely tracking the developments from the court next time.